Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys my top 5 altcoins for Q4 2025. So, these are altcoins that I am looking to accumulate more of right now. So if you guys get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, let the Moose know what you are picking up and why. So guys, on top of that, I do want to send you to the link tree. You guys can use the link tree to pick up something like a Tangem or another Tangem, right? It comes with 2-card set, a Ledger Flex or a Trezor, or you guys can even just take an online course. So use code Moose specifically for Tangem, and you guys do get a little bit of Bitcoin $5 reward as well when you pick up selected wallets as well. Okay, so guys, taking a look at the market, I just did a video and I talked about the recent, pullback, if you will. So Cardano, man, you could have bought it at 30 cents. This was absolutely a coordinated attack. And it is tough. I understand. Like, guys, civilization, I talk about it all the time, but civilization is the management of our human emotions. That's what it is, man. It's all emotionally driven. When things go up, guys, you guys know, man, like at Christmas, assuming things are good, when everybody's around the table talking about Bitcoin, how to buy it, I want to buy some now. Bitcoin's at 150. It's going to the moon. That's when you want to sell, right? So it's the exact same thing. When things go down, they're on sale and there's an opportunity. So in my eyes, crisis along with opportunity, they kind of go together, right? So number one, what is a project? What's an altcoin that I think is massively undervalued? You're looking at it right now. You can get it on sale. To tell somebody you bought Ethereum for $4,000 will soon be a flex. In fact, Ethereum is something that myself, I have slept on. I am exclusively holding, in terms of stable tokens, you guys let me know what you're doing. I'm holding USDC on Ethereum using Aave. So I want to be doing a video. I'm going to be doing a video on that in the near future. If you guys want me to do some DeFi videos, let me know. I work on other stuff, but I just want to do things that I've kind of experimented for a while, right? But guys, Ethereum, a nice little pullback on the week down, week and month down the same, but on the year we're up 50%. I remember Ethereum, guys. I don't even want to do this. This breaks my heart. It breaks my heart that they don't believe in us. DJ Khaled. Guy's funny. Guys, I remember it right here in 2017. I didn't even buy any. Why didn't I buy any? You know what? I didn't realize it went up that high in 2018. Yeah. Guys, Ethereum, man, like, it's going to be the same thing. 2016, 2021, all this stuff. Ethereum is it is the biggest DeFi use project. It's probably going to be the leader for RWAs, etc. All-purpose general contract based blockchain. I mean, with low gas fees now. Low gas fees. Ethereum, number one. Number two, Cardano. That hasn't done anything yet. Cardano has been breaking my heart. Cardano is the X that I keep going back to. And, every time I go back, I'm like, oh, she might get better. And then something happens. She just crashes my car, right? Goes down 50%, Cardano, or cheats on me, right? Or whatever, right? I'm waiting. The potential's there. Beautiful woman, beautiful long hair. But I don't know. Just can't commit. Can't make it happen. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, guys, this is an opportunity. I think we're going to look back within probably even weeks and we'll be like, oh, I could have bought it at 67 cents. You guys let me know what you think. But like 2021, guys, it's going to get worse before it gets better. And it's gotten pretty bad. Down 20%. On the month, it's horrific. But on the year, it's doing fine. It still hasn't broken out of this. I've been talking about this. It's got to get to like a buck. Once it gets to a buck, once it gets out of this wedge break, like a descending wedge pattern, when it goes, it's going to go. It's going to go. Midnight, guys, this is massive. New privacy focused chain, smart contracts, NFTs are coming back a bit. So I kind of want to do a video on that. Cardano NFTs will come back as well. You guys let me know. Like maybe I'm wrong, but I'm going to be doing a COPI video soon. And COPI NFTs are doing quite well. So I was able to liquidate a few things. But, when NFTs come back, when these chains are doing better, you'll see it. But guys, Cardano, if I could, I would buy a ton. I am getting a little bit more. But if I was ready to pull the trigger and get it even cheaper, that would have been great. So that's going to be number 2, Cardano. Now, number 3, Crow. So, guys, when you want to buy crypto, right? Most people, a lot of us, we're smart, we're cool, we're sexy like the moose. We know how to set up a hardware wallet, right? Guys, get a Tangent. Like, come on. If you don't have a Tangent in your wallet, it's kind of an insult to the moose. I actually want you to have one. I really want you guys to have one so you're protected, right? Like if an exchange goes down, etc. Speaking of exchanges, Cronos. I don't like the name Cronos. It should just be crypto.com coin. Where is it? Where the heck is it? It's pretty high market cap, isn't it? Where's Crow? Frick. So Crow, the reason I like Cronos is because it's cheap again. We saw this thing absolutely run up because when crypto does well, how are people buying their coins, right? So we saw it go as high as 32 cents. Guys, this is an opportunity, down 30% on the month. Cronos, this is the crypto.com official coin. You guys can stake this. It just works. And when newcomers come to buy crypto, they're going to be setting up the crypto.com wallet. So it's the easiest way for you to buy crypto, sell crypto, swap with egregious fees. But anyways, for that reason, assuming we continue long-term bullish, guys, Crow is cheap. Like this is another good opportunity in Q4. Sell it when it hits a buck. Whatever. Not financial advice. You guys do whatever you want. Okay, number 4. Aave. Aave. And why? Well, number 1, I've been using it. This is more of a safer altcoin play. I think these other ones can go up 5x, 10x, whatever. Aave, though, down 15%. A lot of people do lending and borrowing, right? With Aave. One of the leading lending DeFi protocols. So me personally, I use it and I like it. That's why I'm sharing it with you at $2.41. Assuming the market does good or bad, I think this is going to hold its value. So as it dips, this is probably going to be the last opportunity for you to buy Aave at sub 250. It will soon be at $300, $400, $500. Where did it get to last cycle? It's going to eclipse this. It's probably going to get to $600. So this is more of a safer bet, but I like it. Ethereum right now is leading the way in smart contracts, in DeFi, just across the board, really. So in terms of lending, borrowing, when people are in profits, right? They may not want to sell, tax purposes. You just borrow against the assets you own, tax-free. Boom. It's one way to go. So it's good for traders, good for, good for shit. So that's Aave. So number 5, guys. So I've owned way too many cryptos. I've played around. This is embarrassing. I played around with Time Wonderland. I can't even say it with a straight face. I bought Time. I bought Time Wonderland. I bought. I don't know. Like, I bought Dogecoin and actually did well. I got tokens I can't even pronounce that I bought on Solana. There are very few cryptos where I have thousands of dollars in, and that's a lot of money to me. Thousands of dollars that are very low in market cap that I believe could 50x. Okay, so Cornucopias right now is a game on Cardano, and they're still holding on, and it's still at like a penny or 2 pennies. It's hanging on, man. You guys have had so many opportunities to get this token cheap. On the year, it's down 41%. All time, it's peaked. So, you know, if it goes from a penny to 10 cents, I don't mind you guys take profit. That makes sense. Guys, $15 million market cap. They are building. They just did their land claim. I will be doing a specific Cornucopias video. This is a great project, and it's not just on Cardano. There's contracts for this token on BNB, Binance Smart Chain, Base, I believe, as well. What else? A bunch. So Base, Cardano, BNB, Ethereum. Guys, COPI, man, COPI. This is one of the only altcoins that I have not sold for something that's more high end, right? Or whatever, top layer ones. So I'm about 90% Bitcoin Cardano right now. And the rest of my crypto is really in COPI and like some other little stuff. But significant wise, in terms of significance, Cornucopias is still there. I believe in this project. Their game looks incredible. So if we just go to the website, and on top of that, they're NFTs, right? So they did their land claim. It's one of the only NFTs that are doing well on Cardano. Okay. And the team, they're still making videos. This is an open world MMO RPG game. Land is awesome. And you can play the game right now. Like, it's a fully working game, right? You got racing, etc. It just gets better and better, right? Built using Unreal Engine 5. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. So the only thing is gaming has not taken off. But if you position yourself now, potentially, I think you could really get some benefits out of this. So it's Cornucopia's game. If there is a project that could 100x, it would be COPI. It's one of the ones that can still do it, okay? So guys, comment down below. What are your top 5 Q4? Which ones do you like? Which ones don't you like? Guys, pick up a hardware wallet. Support the channel. Take an online course. Education is everything. Make mistakes, man. If you've never done crypto before, go buy some. Set up a Wealthsimple if you're in Canada. Right? I got links for that too. I mean, come on. Support the channel. We're not making a lot over here on YouTube with 8,000 subs. Not even 8,000 subscribers. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Comment down below. What are your thoughts and opinions? Which cryptos are you holding? Which ones are you bullish on? Cheers, everybody.